back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry if the lighting is whack, but I don't have a ring light or anything fancy because I'm relatively new. I've only just got that intro that you've just heard, so let me know what you think. Hope you're all having a really good weekend. In today's video I will be playing nail professional technician thingy, and I'll be putting on my own shellac. I've only got a couple of colours, and to be honest with you, they all seem to be pink, so I think I'll be going with pink today. The only other colour I have got is more of like a purpley colour, but I feel like as it's spring I need something a bit more lively. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but it looks more like purple, but then when it's cured it is more like a pink. That probably was super blurry for you, and sorry if it was, but I'll not be taking that clip. So all I'll be using today is my base coat and obviously the colour and the top coat, but obviously first thing I need to do is shape these talons. They were like an almond kind of shape, but as my nails have grown they just look weird, so I'm going to reshape these. And then obviously when I've got these on, I'm going to need to cure it with this dinosaur. It is chunky, it makes a loud noise, it's probably very dangerous, but it's served me for about 5 years now, so let's wait until it burns down the house and then I'll get a new one. Okay, so I am planning on calling this self-care Sunday, but self-care can mean a whole range of things. For me, doing my nails and eyebrows makes me feel better. Due to the current situation and uni, haven't been maintaining myself as I usually would, and my self-worth and confidence just got so bad that I didn't even want to get out of bed in the morning, and I was seeing like 1 p.m. wasn't great. So doing something small such as my nails and drinking a peppermint tea is just a quick version of self-care for me, but it can mean anything and it can look like anything. It doesn't have to be something so superficial. Yeah, so let me know how you do self-care. I'll be interested to find out. Maybe I can get some tips from you guys. Okay, so that is my nails filed. I always think that my nails without varnish or gel look exactly like horse hooves. I just think they're so ugly, and I've had plain nails for ages now. Ugh, I hate it. Okay, so on that note, I am now going to put on my base coat and then my actual colour and then my top coat. I'm going to whiz through that bit. I did my cuticles in the shower because they were softer then. They probably look like rubbish. So please don't judge me. I am not a nail tech, obviously. So yeah, don't look at me like I'm sort of pro. So, because I don't know how to put music into my videos yet, I thought I would tell you a bit about myself. So, I'm 25. I live in the West Midlands. I live with my boyfriend and my cat. I'm not currently working, but I am at uni full time. I've just gotten into a local place to do teacher training, so hopefully I will do that soon. Look how dark it is. Why did I film when it was so dark? I could have just put on my light, it would look better than this. Yeah. Okay, so my camera died and I can't seem to get the batteries to work. For some reason it comes up with an error, so here we are on my iPhone. Woo, this is different. Okay, so I was going to say that what I tend to do is I obviously put on my base coat and then I put on 2 thin coats of this. So I tend to go for Blue Sky. You can get it from Amazon, I think I may have said. It's really good. And then I cure it with my UV lamp. And then, because this one's quite pale, I will tend to put on like a 3rd coat, just because I really want that pigment. But if you go to a salon, they tend to just put on 2 coats, and this is my gel and I'm not stingy, so there we go. Okay, so you can see that my other gels are not Blue Sky. They're just Amazon. I probably got them for like a £5 each. It's not bad. The lamp, it looks skanky as hell. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Yeah, that it is like over 5 years old though, so there you go. So that was like 20 quid, 15 quid, I don't know. So really, to get yourself started, you don't need a lot. Just watch some YouTube videos. There are people way better than me giving demonstrations. I want to try a builder gel next. If anyone's used that before, let me know if you can, if you recommend it. Yeah, I will put on another coat or two of the colour and we'll see. I'll show you at the end. Okay, so as you can see, I have got my hand curing. I thought I'd just tell you that, like, for my colour, I put it in for around 2 minutes. That's with like a thin coat. To be honest, I tend to forget, and it probably ends up in there for like 5 minutes, especially if I'm watching TV. It's easily done. So I've got the base coat, no, the top coat on at the moment, and I put that in for around a minute. I did accidentally put in a base coat with a top coat on top, so yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it in longer if it even cures. I don't even know what it's going to turn out like. The fingers that did have the base coat on by accident will probably still be sticky, but if that's the case, I'll just have to put on a top coat again and it's going to be weird. Okay, I'll show you guys in a minute. Can they sort out their dogs, please? Okay, I have finished finally. I had to put on another top coat because it was sticky after my little mistake, but there we go. I don't think you'll be able to see very well, but here we go. We've got pink. Okay, you can't see at all. Anyway, maybe I'll insert a picture at the end. I don't know. I think the quality is not great, but I was having enough of my horsehoof nails. My natural nails are just so... Right, this is actually a bit better than my camera. Look at that. I have not done anything to discolour these apart from my foundation. Horse hooves. They don't belong on me, but they're there and they need painting, so this is what I'm doing. And I'm not even looking at the camera. Hey. Okay, thank you for watching. Any questions, please ask. I'm sure you won't. No one's watching. There we go. Thanks, guys. See you later.